कोलेस्ट्रॉल का नाम सुनते ही दिमाग में एक ही इमेज आती है, ब्लॉक्ड आर्टरीज, हार्ट अटैक एंड लाइफ लॉन्ग मेडिकेशंस, राइट? But what if I tell you, in many cases, cholesterol can be reversed or at least brought under control without medications just by tweaking your diet and daily routine. Okay, first things first, let me explain what is cholesterol. Cholesterol is not a villain, it is actually required in our body to make certain hormones, vitamin D and even cell membranes. But there is a twist. There are two types of cholesterol, LDL, the bad cholesterol which is deposited in the arteries, and HDL, the good cholesterol which actually clears the bad one. So when your LDL is too high and the HDL is too low, that's when the problem begins. It can bring blocked arteries, heart issues and the whole package. But here is an amazing part. ये numbers आप control कर सकते हो and it doesn't always need pills. Diet is your first line of defense. You know how people say don't eat fat, it will cause cholesterol. Well, it's not that simple. Cholesterol does not come only from fat. It's about what kind of fat and what you are eating along with that matters. Let's make it simple. There are 4 things that you need to take care in your diet. Number 1 is soluble fiber. It works like a sponge. It binds to cholesterol in your digestive tract and help you remove it out from the body. So from where do you get soluble fibers? There are multiple sources. For example, oats, apple, chana or rajma, soaked methi seeds. Start including these things in your diet. Second is the right kind of fats. Instead of deep fried snacks or creamy bakery stuff, switch to cold pressed oil for cooking, almonds and avocados if you enjoy it. What about ghee? थोड़ा बहुत घी भी चलता है, the pure desi ghee, but again the quantity of total fat intake should not go beyond 3 to 4 teaspoons in a day. Third and one of the most important one, omega-3 fatty acids. These are like best friends of your heart. Omega-3 reduces LDL, increases HDL and lowers triglycerides. And not to forget, they are anti-inflammatory. So they reduce overall inflammation in the body. Start taking flax seeds, walnuts, chia seeds. You can ground them, soak them or just consume it as it is. Fourth and most unexpected one, cut the hidden sugar. Yes, sugar is a silent cholesterol villain. It levels up your triglyceride and leads to fat storage. तो अगर आप रोज़ 2 कप चाय या कॉफ़ी में 1-2 स्पून शुगर डाल रहे हो, then it's time to rethink. You can try cinnamon or use natural sweeteners like stevia and cut down your sugars totally for a week and you will notice the difference. Now let's talk about the lifestyle changes that we have to make. These changes are most underrated but they help you magically to control your cholesterol levels. The first one, you have to start moving your body. It can be 30 minutes of brisk walk, some yoga stretches or even dance. Whatever you enjoy, but do it daily. It boosts up your HDL level and burns off extra triglycerides. Next and very important is to manage your stress. Higher the stress level, higher the cortisol and higher the cholesterols. Even 5 minutes of guided meditation or deep breathing can help a lot. Do it before bedtime. It works wonderfully. Third, you have to quit smoking and cut your alcohol. Smoking and alcohol directly drops your HDL level and damages your blood vessels. If you want your numbers to improve, ये दोनों तो छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा. Number 4, intermittent fasting. This is not for everyone, but research suggests that it helps in reducing cholesterol and insulin levels. You can start by simple 12 hours of fasting and 12 hours of eating window and slowly progress to 16 hours fasting and 8 hours eating window. But it's a gradual process. Also, it would be better if you consult a dietitian or a doctor before starting intermittent fasting. Let's be real. Reversing cholesterol is not about finding a superfood or doing something dramatic. It's about consistency and small choices that add up. छोटी छोटी हैबिट जैसे कि एक कुछ फ्राइड आइटम कम करके एक फाइबर रिच सब्जी बढ़ाना, यही एक रियल प्रोग्रेस है. सो इफ यू आर इन, टेक दिस मिनी चैलेंज फॉर अ वीक. Number 1, walk 20 minutes after your dinner. Add 1 teaspoon of flaxseed after every meal and cut 1 processed food from your daily routine. That's it. Just start. If this video helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone who is dealing with high cholesterols. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips every week. Until next time, अपना भी ख्याल रखिए और अपने दिल का भी. Bye bye.